Hello, welcome back to Hedgie English. Today, we are going to cook. We are going to cook a recipe. Today's recipe is spaghetti carbonara with peas and ham. First, let's look at the ingredients. What do we need? We need three large eggs, 3 large egg yolks. We need 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. We need 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. So you have black pepper and you grind it. Freshly ground black pepper. Freshly ground. Right now. Not ground yesterday. Right now. 5 1/2 ounces of Pecorino Romano cheese. Grated. The cheese, a grater, grated. Here's the cheese, grated. About 1 1/3 cups. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. 1 package of cubed cooked ham. Ham, meat from a pig. Cooked, cooked, cubed in a cube, in a square. 1 package of cubed cooked ham. 2 large shallots, large. 2 large shallots, thinly sliced into rings. Thinly sliced into rings. 1 cup fresh or frozen peas. The green vegetable, little green vegetable. Fresh or frozen peas. 1 pound spaghetti. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter with no salt. 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, the juice of a lemon. And 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced fresh chives. Thinly sliced fresh chives. How to cook. Step 1. Take the eggs and egg yolks and whisk them in a bowl. So here's a bowl, the eggs and the egg yolks, and whisk them until blended together. Stir, here's a spoon, stir in, so here's the bowl, here's a spoon, stir in salt, stir, pepper, stir, and 1 cup of the cheese, stir. Set aside. here's the bowl set aside. Later. Step 2. Heat oil. So olive oil in the pan and turn up the heat, the fire. Heat oil until it's hot. Heat oil in a large, deep skillet or pan over medium-high heat. High heat, really hot. Medium heat, hot. Low heat, pretty hot. Little hot. So high, medium, low. Medium, high. So heat the oil on medium-high heat. Add the ham and the shallots. Add them. And cook, stirring often, until the shallots are soft. Like soft. Not hard, but soft. Add peas and 3/4 cup of water. Bring to a simmer. So simmer, if you have water and you heat it, you make it hot. You heat the water. It gets hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter. And eventually it boils. Water boils, like bubbles, boils. So normal water, boiling water, simmering water, little bubbles, little boil, little bit. So simmer the ham and shallots and peas, stirring occasionally, stirring now, in 5 minutes, stirring, in 2 minutes, stirring occasionally, sometimes. About 5 minutes, until the peas are tender, soft. Remove the skillet from the heat. So here's the heat, here's the skillet or the pan. Remove it. Now cook the pasta. After the pasta is cooked, transfer the pasta to the pan with the peas and carrots. So here's the pasta, here's the peas and not carrots, shallots and ham. Transfer pasta here. Transfer the pasta to the peas and the ham. Take some pasta water from the pasta, take it, put it aside. Let the peas and ham and pasta cool. Not hot. Let it cool for 2 minutes. Then put the water from the pasta into the eggs, the egg mixture, the eggs and the egg yolks, while whisking. So water, eggs, bowl with eggs, water, and whisking. While whisking, pour the water into the eggs. Then take the egg mixture and pour it into the pasta mixture. The pasta, the ham, the peas in the pan and stirring. So then take butter and lemon juice. Put the pan with the pasta and the eggs and the ham and the peas. Put it on low heat. High heat, medium heat, low heat. Low heat. And cook. Stirring and shaking. So here's the pan. Shaking constantly until the sauce is creamy. Creamy. Not water, but more creamy, like melted cheese or mayonnaise or sour cream. Creamy. And covers the noodles. The sauce is on the noodles, on the pasta. Don't overcook. Don't cook too much. Don't cook too much. Don't overcook. Here's the heat. Here's the pan. Remove from heat and stir in butter and lemon juice. And then you're done. Almost. Take the chives and cheese, the leftover cheese, the cheese that you didn't use. Take the chives and the cheese and add. But sprinkle, little bit, sprinkle on top. And now you have spaghetti carbonara with peas and ham. Enjoy.